Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV and today we are going to be talking about brows. Now I have started on this brow already, but I'm just experimenting right now, so I thought I would bring you along with me. This is going to be a quick video on how to cheaply laminate your eyebrows at home. So guys, I have a spoolie here and I have already brushed this eyebrow up and smooth it out. So now I'm just going to do the other eyebrow. Just going to take a little gel, twist my smoothie around in it. Because like I said, I was about to make me an appointment this morning. To go get mine laminated. But before I go do that, just let me see what I can do on my own. So when I brush it up like that, I like to take the back of this spoolie here and do the hair like that. So now the only thing I am going to do is see how do I want the hair to dry. So I am just going to be just going to the side with the hair, just smoothing the hair to the side. When I seen it online, it seemed simple enough. I got a little fussy hair that I just don't want to lay down. So guys, I am always looking to cut costs. And if this is something that I was going to end up liking, I know that I was going to go quite often to get it done. So before doing all of that, I said, let me see what I can do at home. Okay, so I got it all brushed up. This spoolie that I have here is just an old spoolie from mascara. And I just keeps it clean. I washes it and keeps it clean. I don't want to be housed in a gang of spoolies. Okay, so I use Gotta Be Glue. So I got that up. And as time go on, I know I'm going to get better. So now I have a alcohol swab here. And this is my first attempt. And I'm just cleaning up, you know, the alcohol. I'm just cleaning up the gel that was around there. All right, I'm going to let that dry. Now, guys, my eyebrows are dry, and now I'm just trying to see what do I want to use to, you know, fill them in. Lately, I've been messing with this. This is just another, like fine brush from another set. This is an eyeliner, and I just kept the brush. I just kept the brush from it. And the other day, I was playing with this brush, trying to see if something would work. So what I am going to do is just going to take some brow cream. That's all this is some brow cream. Oh, I haven't used this one yet. And I'm just going to go into the brow cream like this. And where I got this from is just my local beauty supply store. And I'm just going to try to get it in there because I want to make hair strokes. Let's see. You see that? So I'm just going to just fill it in. And this is part of, learning what you need to do. I can tell right now by using this that I would be using more so a powder. I think a powder for me, would be easier to work with. Yeah, a powder would be easier for me to work with. So what I am going to attempt to do is take a brush. I'm just going to take a brush. And I'm going to try to smooth some of this cream, brow cream, up into what I did. Okay, so now I'm going to take the same brush and I am going to try to clean up underneath that cream and get the shape that I want. I think the more that I play with this technique, the better it'll be. Oh yeah, see? Mm-hmm. I guess there's really no need to go over the top, but I can tell with this technique, you're going to have to make sure all of the hair is like shaven. It ain't going to do it now because, the gel is on there, but take your shaver and just, I was able to get some of it off, surprisingly. I wonder will it let me. Oh, it is letting me shape it. What? You know the wild hairs that stick out? So, yeah. Now, why did I do that? Okay. Well, guys, I am going to do the other brow off camera, and we will be back. To my surprise, I was able to shape some of the hair with my tool here. So what I'm going to do is just shape the hair around here. I was up this morning and I said, you know what? Why not? Just see if it's going to work for you. Because, like I said, I was on my way to go get my eyebrows laminated and all of that. And so now I am going to, let's see. Okay. So now what I'm going to try some Anastasia brow powder. Over here I did a brow cream. Over here I'm going to do a powder. So the next time that I, attempt this, at least I know which one I'll use. So I got my Anastasia here. It's got two sides there. And I have my, is this my Anastasia? I think this is my Anastasia. It is. Two-way brush. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go lighter first. Let's see what lighter does. Guys, this is going to be a tough call. Wow, this is going to be a tough call, guys. That's weird. Okay, so that's on. Just going to shape it up. Guys, this is, hmm. This is my first attempt at doing this, guys, and I'm just seeing if this is something that I would do on a regular. And I can tell you yes. Now, this is just my first attempt at it. I like this one better than this one. This one over here is powder. This one right here is the cream. So I think I'll be going with the cream from here on out. But yeah. All right, guys. Well, I just left the gym from working out. And that was one of the things I wanted to see if my brows was going to be able to hold up through the sweat and things. So this is my brows straight after working out and sweating. Yeah, that was one of my final tests. And I just moved this brow here and you can see the sweat in it, but it basically held its own. I just moved this one here and you can see the water in my brows because I sweat a lot when I go to the gym, but they held up pretty good. So this will be something, this is my new brow routine. Yeah, this is my new brow routine.